In our previous videos, we discussed about Mr. Elon Musk and Jack Dorsey that they both agreed to talk about Bitcoin at an event in July 21. The event name is the B word. In that event, they both are going to discuss about the crypto market. Secondly, they will also discuss about the investment in BTC, Bitcoin. And the second news which we discussed in our previous videos, that was about Athena Bitcoin, that they are going to install 1500 Bitcoin ATMs in El Salvador, but they will start with maximum 15 to 20 machines around the country, and after that, by checking the data, they are going to install some more machines, ATM machines, around the El Salvador. But right now the crypto market, the entire crypto market is performing really well. The BTC is at 34,524, Ethereum is at 1974, and even the other altcoins, even the Dogecoin is at 0.25, and the Polkadot is also performing well. Bitcoin Cash is performing well. Even as per my own idea, all the altcoins are performing really well. What is the major reason behind the entire pump, and why the market is going for another pump, or either it is a trap? We are going to discuss all those things in this video, so stay tuned with us. If you are the holder of any altcoin in crypto market, or you are planning to take the entry in any altcoin, stay tuned. So guys, the big news about the crypto market, that Mexico's third richest man recommends Bitcoin, BTC. His bank is working to accept the BTC, says fiat money is a fraud. What he said, Ricardo Salinas, Mexico's third richest man and founder of Group Salinas, sees Bitcoin as an asset with extraordinary properties, describing the cryptocurrency as gold for the modern world. He recommends the Bitcoin. BTC thinks that fiat money is a fraud, and the idea of the US dollar being a hard currency is a joke. What he said, now that is the big thing. He said that for me, Bitcoin is an asset that has extraordinary properties. All the advantages that Bitcoin has for me make it gold for the modern world. Basically, this guy is already bullish on crypto, and with this news, because he is one of the third largest and also the richest person in the Mexico, if he is going to recommend the BTC, you will understand that what will happen. Definitely the global crypto market cap will increase. Secondly, as per my own idea, I'm not a financial advisor, but as per my own idea, that will definitely push the market for the pump, because as I said in my earlier video, that July is basically a game changer for entire crypto. This July is entirely a new thing for the Bitcoin, for the market. So definitely this guy, after the news of this guy, if he will be more bullish on crypto, definitely if he will make some new tweets about the crypto, about the BTC, about other altcoins, that will hit the market. Some people will definitely buy the BTC and some other altcoins on his recommendation. So what you think about this news, and also what you think that either it will be good for the market or not, do let me know in the comment section. He also stated that governments don't like Bitcoin, BTC. It burns them, that people can get out of their fiat trap, because that is what fiat money is, a fraud. The fraud fiat is inherent to the fiat system, and we can see it today in the US. The dollar as hard currency is a joke. So he said very harsh words even. And he also stated that governments, people with power, could decree that it is illegal, but I think it would continue to be used even if it were illegal, but many people will be afraid of it. He said that the governments didn't like BTC because the BTC is going to end up everything about the fiat, and also he stated that the fiat is a fraud. So overall, his all the words are good, but if he stands on these words, that will push the market to the uptrend. Thanks a lot.